In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying for a term arrangement. A term arrangement applies when you are unable to settle an outstanding account balance within 30 days of issue. It allows you to repay the outstanding amount in monthly installments, interest-free, until the balance is fully settled. Log in using your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu tabs and select Billing. Under Billing, choose Term Arrangement, then click Apply for Terms Arrangement. The application page will open. Select the relevant product by ticking the checkbox. Once selected, a green check mark will appear. Complete all the required term details. Important notes about terms arrangements. A terms arrangement can be set up for a maximum period of up to 12 months, depending on when the request is submitted. If the request is made during a closed period, a pro rata arrangement will apply for the remaining months in that period. If you are unable to settle the outstanding balance within the prorated months and require a full 12-month arrangement, the request will need to be assessed and approved accordingly. There are different payment methods available to settle the account. If you select debit order as your payment method, you will be required to submit mandatory supporting documents, such as a bank confirmation letter to verify your banking details. A debit order mandate will then be initiated. Scroll down and click the T's and C's hyperlink. A window will open displaying the terms arrangement terms and conditions. Review them and then close the window. If you agree to the terms, tick the Agreement checkbox. The Submit button will then become available. Click Submit. A pop-up message will appear confirming that the application has been auto-approved. Note, a terms arrangement will only be auto-approved if RMA has a history of your account and you have had successful terms arrangements previously. For new applicants, auto-approval does not apply. These applications must be vetted and assessed before a decision is made. The application will be routed to an RMA representative for evaluation and will either be approved or declined based on the assessment outcome. This completes the process of capturing a terms arrangement.